Delhi government has come forward and reassured residents over the situation in areas on the banks of the Yamuna. Though the river is flowing above the danger mark, the water levels could begin to recede by tomorrow.
The water level of the Yamuna steadily rising at an alarming rate, inundating low-lying areas in and around Delhi.
We are in one of the rescue boats which is being used by the Delhi government to carry out a reconnaissance of all the low-lying areas that have been completely submerged. In fact, we are near civil lines area, and you can see these low-lying areas of Buradi, Usmanpur and also Khajuri Khas have now completely been submerged. Now the level of Yamuna has been rising since yesterday. It's now nearly 206.94 meters. Now it's being said by the flood department officials that it will rise to around 207.75 meters, which is said to be the highest in past 3 decades.
People wading through knee-deep waters, with transport taking a major hit in many areas as vehicles lie submerged in mud and slush. But the Delhi government is optimistic.
This is a situation, we have to deal with it, and whatever precautions we need to take, we have taken. We have strengthened the embankment. Wherever required, the sandbags have been, or the stones have been put. And so only thing is that, follow the instructions.
Life has come to a standstill for many in and around the national capital as the Yamuna rose well above the danger mark.
The Delhi government says that around 1% of the population would be affected. Now, people who are living in Usmanpur area and also in Buradi are being rescued by the Delhi government. They have also said that those who were trying to cultivate their crops in these low-lying areas have also been asked to evacuate the place. With Nadeem Bhaptosh Singh, Delhi Times Now.
Well, the Delhi government has reassured residents over the situation in areas on the banks of the Yamuna. The river is flowing above the danger mark. The water levels are expected to get down and recede by tomorrow.
All other measures have been taken. Wherever the water will go, we have identified those locations. Wahan pe we have put the tents, and we have evacuated about 2,000 people are already in the camp. More might join us. So just cooperate with our disaster management machinery. Please follow their instructions. If they're asking you to evacuate, please evacuate.
Sir, when would the water recede? From today itself or tomorrow?
I think the water will start receding day after. In the afternoon, sometime afternoon tomorrow.
And what is the level that you expect it to touch, the maximum?
According to the latest forecast that we have got from Central Water Commission, it will touch around 207.75 by evening, sometime evening today.
And no reason for Delhi to panic because there have been reports.
There is nothing. This is a situation, we have to deal with it, and whatever precautions we need to take, we have taken. We have strengthened the embankment. Wherever required, the sandbags have been, or the stones have been put. And so only thing is that, follow the instructions. Wherever the water is going, if you are asked to evacuate, you please evacuate.